Discover how you can get paid for your opinions while having fun exploring the latest apps in the market. In this exciting video, I'll reveal the secret to making money by reviewing apps. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn extra income doing something you love today. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. Imagine getting paid for the time you already spend on your phone. No more feeling guilty about wasting time. With EasyBucks app, you can make real money by simply exploring and reviewing the latest apps. EasyBucks app pays you for doing things you love. From taking surveys to playing games and reviewing apps, EasyBucks makes it easy for you to earn money on the go. EasyBucks is available for your smartphone. Unleash the power of EasyBucks on your Android smartphone. You can start easily with EasyBucks. Just set up an account by using an existing email such as Gmail, Facebook, and Apple. Then you can unlock endless earning opportunities. Start choosing from a diverse selection of surveys and offer walls. Already into playing games online? With EasyBucks, you can try out new games and get paid for leveling up. New surveys are added daily, so you always have a way to make money in your spare time. Get paid for simply checking out new apps. Maybe you will find an app you love. Effortlessly cash out with EasyBucks. Get your earnings instantly. Spend the money you earn in EasyBucks on your favorite brands like Amazon, or simply cash out via PayPal. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.